do I love it? I love it more than you love it.
Hello, I'm Joan Navarre.
Hello.
And this is Holger. Our topic for this video
Chocolate balls.
is
Chocolate balls, right?
the Ilonggo accent.
From
So,
Japan.
the Ilonggo, of all the dialects in the Philippines, the Ilonggo is said to have the sweetest accent. So, let's try it with Holger.
I wouldn't call it the sweetest accent, because an accent is second syllable, first syllable, third syllable.
So, how do you call that tone?
Tonation, yeah. Or intonation.
Intonation. So, an intonation.
But when you are angry, it ain't sweet.
You think? Because I'm speaking English when I'm angry at you.
True.
True.
Touché.
So, sample. How do you say? What do you want to tell me? So I'll translate it in Ilonggo.
Okay, wait. Miga. Come.
Miga!
Miga.
No!
¿Dónde?
Diin.
What was it? I can't.
Where?
Hang on. So we have something like, Miga, may CR. May CR Oh, dira diri
Not Ho, dito ho.
Holger
Okay. So the Ilonggo way of saying that, the intonation for that is
Namit
kanamit
Kanamit
So when you eat something and you really like it, it's so yummy.
Namit
Kanamit
Kanamit
Not quite. Kanamit
Kanamit
Yeah! Almost. Kanami sa imo.
Kanami sa imo.
Yeah, it means you're so cute. Something like that, anyway.
No.
Namian ka man. Namian ka man. You like it too.
Oh.
No, you say namian ka man.
Naiman ka man.
Namian ka man.
Nami.
Namian ka man.
Nami.
Say it softly.
Nami.
Namian ka man.
Namian ka man.
Namian ka man.
Namian ka man.
No, that's not Ilonggo.
Namian ka man.
Namian ka man. You like it?
Oo. Namian ka man.
Ho-oh.
Okay. Ho-oh.
Yes, with an H.
Ho-oh.
Ho-oh. Kanami.
Kamami.
Kanami. Yes, I like it so much. With a gid, when you say it with a gid. So much.
Kanamin. Kamamin.
When you tell someone, kalaw ay sa imo, you're so ugly. Kalaw ay sa imo.
Kalaw ay sa imo.
Again. Kalaw ay sa imo.
Kalaw ay sa imo. And if you don't know, it's oh, salamat. So sweet.
Law ay is ugly. So when you say kalaw ay, it's very ugly. Or, sa imo. Kalaw ay sa imo.
Kalaw ay sa imo.
See?
Oh yes, a wonderful day today.
When you say it, you're so beautiful. Kagwapa sa imo.
Ako ay gwapo.
But say it in Ilonggo.
Tuod gwapo.
Yeah. gwapo sa ibo.
Oo.
And also, remember this, there's a typical Ilonggo interjection. There, you say, another thing is, hi.
Oh, hi. Oo. Oh, hi.
You sound like a
Japanese!
girl. You sound like a girl.
Arigato. Oh, hi. Oh, maki-maki.
You sound like a girl.
Well, I tried to get that soft because
You
Wait,
say it with a
wait.
man's voice. Hi.
oh, hi.
Ma'am.
Uh,
It's an expression of disdain, pity.
I didn't know that. That was something nice. Oh, hi.
Hi.
Oh, hi.
Hi.
Hi. Oh, hi. Oh, hi.
Sort of, hi.
Hi.
No, it's the same way you would say,
Hi.
but you just say, hi.
Oh,
Or,
or hi.
no. I'm thinking of another way to express it. If what's that? When you miss an opportunity, hi.
Oh, hi.
Yeah. Hi.
Tangina mo.
The Ilonggo equivalent for that
It's
is
simply, oh, hi.
No. The Ilonggo equivalent would be, it's so ugly. You di puta mo.
You dipo damo. I think you just told me that. Actually, you probably told me everything already. It's just keep forgetting.
This is Joan of Arc and Holger for that episode. Now let's go on to